Welcome to this short video that will show you how to file a request for remission for trust on eFiling if you do not agree with the administrative penalties issued by SARS. Visit the SARS eFiling website and log in with your credentials. To request for remission, please search for the relevant taxpayer by entering their name, registration number, or tax reference number. Then click Search. The taxpayer will appear, then click View Taxpayer. Click Returns on the top menu. Then click SARS Correspondence on the left-hand menu. On the sub-menu, click Request Admin Penalty SOA. Select the year and click Continue. Select the period and click Submit. Click the hyperlink to view the statement of account. Click on Dispute at the top. Select I would like to file a request for remission, then click Continue. Select the administrative penalties you wish to dispute. You may choose up to 36 at a time. Answer the question: are you signing on behalf of the taxpayer? If yes, answer the next two questions and fill in the representative's details. If no, the related fields will be grayed out. Select the reason for dispute. Provide the grounds for your dispute. Then click on File to submit the request for remission to SARS. The status will then reflect Submitted. Thank you for submitting your request for remission via eFiling. SARS, at your service.